Hey, how's it going, guys? Sean from South Detroit Customs. For all of you that are wondering where I got the name, there is no South Detroit. So if you figure it out, you probably figure out where I'm from originally. I put some videos up on the Facebook page. Kind of shot them on my phone, so they're not that great, of the progress I was making last week. It's been exactly a week since I videoed last. So I'll flip around here with the good camera and show you where the car's at now. Got it all stripped down. Found a bunch of stuff in the doors if you haven't watched the other video, and I cut all the quarters off because they were a mess. I have a couple of videos of me cutting those quarters off, showing you how great that body work was. And obviously it wasn't great because it all got cut off. So that's where the car is at as of today, a week later. What else happened in a week? Oh yeah, told you I was going to be buying some stuff for the car. Thinking about buying some stuff. In fact, I posted on the Facebook page where I was going to be buying the stuff from. So look what happened yesterday. One box showed up, and then another box showed up. Big long box. Wonder what's in there. Oh wait, and there's more. Two other big boxes showed up. That's right. I bought a plasma cutter and a welder. Bought a combo pack. Told you guys in the first video, didn't want to spend a lot of money. Was pretty much on a budget. I met that budget, and I'll let you know why I went with that welder and that plasma cutter. So tune in the next video, and I will be opening these boxes and showing you what's in them and what I got and what I spent. See you soon.